Good morning, sis. Welcome to Women in the Nervous System podcast. I'm Rashida. You might know me as Holistically Raw from my YouTube channel. I'm a life coach and I help women set boundaries, overcome people pleasing, and come home to themselves. So a few days ago, I read an article about how women's nervous systems are highly affected by stress. I even did a video on it, and the response from women was overwhelming. It opened my eyes to how deeply this topic resonates, and that conversation spiraled into the birth of this podcast. So here we are. Let's go ahead and get into it. When it comes to stress, women carry it differently than men. And that's not just a cliche, it's science. Our bodies, our hormones, and even the way we're socialized shape how stress lands inside of us. Think about it for a minute. Society has long expected women to be the caretakers, the multitaskers, the ones holding the family, the job, the friendships, and sometimes the entire household on our shoulders. That constant load doesn't just sit in our minds, it lives in our bodies. Research shows that women's nervous systems often they stay in hypervigilance longer than men's. That means our stress response, the fight, flight, freeze, or fawn, can get triggered more easily and linger more intensely. Cortisol, the stress hormone, can cycle differently in women's bodies. And when you add layers like hormonal shifts, motherhood, trauma, or just being told to smile and hold it together, you start to see why we feel it so deeply. But here's the thing, while women may carry stress differently, we also have an incredible ability to adapt. Many women are naturally resilient. We know how to regulate, how to co regulate with each other, how to find strength in community, and how to nurture ourselves back into balance. I want you to notice the patterns in your own body. Do you carry stress in your shoulders, your gut, your chest? Do you find yourself shutting down, or do you overfunction when stress shows up? Naming it is the first step toward healing. This isn't about comparing ourselves to men. It's about understanding our unique wiring. So we stop shaming ourselves for feeling the way that we do. Once you understand how your nervous system works, you can work with it, not against it. The journal prompt today is, where in my body do I feel stressed the most? And what do I usually do when it shows up? Sis, your body is wise. It's not betraying you, it's protecting you. The more you understand it, the more you can honor it. Thank you for being here for episode 1. Until next time, take care of yourself gently.